Today I'm opening the Welnove high arch support insoles. These are an extra small and I am a 6.5, 7. So let's open these. I have a really good shock absorbing heel cup. And here we are. Very bendable. You can cut to trim the top. Nice curve for the arch. I do have kind of a high arch. So we just slip these in the shoe. These are 7s, so I don't have to trim. Again, that's an extra small. Just fits right in the shoe. Put the other one in. Again, this is nice, solid, gel absorbing. It's really gushy. And this part is super flexible and soft. Didn't have to trim my extra small for a 7. Can already feel the support without even standing up. And there you have it. Great arch support. Get yourself some today.